it's absolutely fantastic to see you again. Thank you for all your hard work last week. Today, we've got some really exciting spells to cast. But first of all, let's have a look at some plants. Here we go.
So year one, can you remember the other week when we did an experiment about growing plants and we looked at whether they needed water and sunshine or dark and no water? So here's some of the plants that I planted. And you can see we've got some shoots coming up. These ones are outside and they've had water and sunshine. These are going to be peas. And this is going to be rocket, which is a kind of salad. And over here, we've got tomatoes. Can you see the flowers? Just like the apples, the flowers are going to turn into tomatoes. Just like the flowers on the apple tree turn into apples. Isn't that exciting? So let's see what you're going to do today with your literacy. Are you ready? Here we go.
I hope you've listened to Mrs. Walsh's story all about Meg's veg. I think it's time we put our knowledge about plants and our creative literacy skills together. We're going to make a spell just like Meg did. Here we go. This is how we're going to create an incredible spell poem. First of all, we're going to start with a noun, something that plants need, like sunshine. So we're going to start with the word sun. Here it is. Can you see it? Next, we're going to think of an adjective to put before the noun. What could a sun be? Could it be yellow? Let's try yellow. So we're going to have yellow sun. Now we're going to think of a simile. How yellow could the sun be? Could it be as yellow as a buttercup? As yellow as a highlighter? As yellow as a flame? Let's use flame. So we could put yellow sun, as bright as a flame. And that gives us a line of poetry. Isn't that amazing? Aren't you clever? Next, we're going to try it with water, because plants need water. So we're going to start with our noun, water, and we're going to think of a word that could describe the water. Let's see, we could have blue, we could have rain, we could have cold, we could have dripping. Let's have dripping. Here we go. Dripping water. Now we need to describe it as being as something else. To make a simile, we could have dripping rain, as noisy as a drum. That would be good. Dripping, that's our adjective. Rain, our noun. As loud as a drum. That could be our simile. I wonder if you could think of some sentences for our poem that are about the sun and about water and about food that plants need. And maybe something just a little bit crazy too, a little bit of magic, something that could make a sound like a whiz or a pop or a bang. And we can use something called onomatopoeia, which are words that sound like the sounds that they are, like pitter-patter or drip-drop or bang or crash. Can you use those in your poem too? Here's an example of what Amber and Isaac got up to this week. I wonder if you could make a spell poem just like them. I bet you can, because you're so clever. I can't wait to see your amazing cauldron spell poems with all your adjectives and nouns and similes and onomatopoeia words. Let's see how many crashes and bangs and drip drops and pitter patters you can put in. Can't wait to see them. Remember to put them on Class Dojo. Take care, year one. Bye.